Hi everyone, this test A section for number 21. So in this video we're gonna finish up to number 38. So we have a line y equal to third of x passing through the origin, okay? When you have a point on this line, okay, make the rectangle. The area of this rectangle is 54. At this times, what is the value of b? B is y coordinate. This is b, this is a. Okay. For examples, if we take right b is 2, a is 3, right? At this times, 2 times 3 is what? The area is only 6, but this is 54. It's 9 times. What? 6 times 9 is 54. Area is 9 times means what? The length is what? Square root 9 times, which is 3 times. Okay? So if this is 6 times 3, this is 9. 9 times 6 is 54. Okay? In this case, the value of b is 6. You can use this method. Or you can use, this is the ratio, this is 2k, the other one is 3k. Okay, it depends on the value of k. So the area of this in terms of k is what? 2k times 3k is what? 6k squared. That equals to 54. So k squared equals to 9. K is a positive number, right? 3, isn't it? So you can put over 3 there. That is 6. This is 9. You can use this one too. Or you can use like a and b. Okay? A times b equals to 54, right? If this is a, this is b, a times b is 54. So what is the b of here? B equals 2/3 of a. You can solve this system of equations. Okay? From here, a equals how much? A equals 3/2 b. It's okay? Put this number here. 3/2b times another b squared, that is 54. So times 2/3 there, both sides. This is 1, okay? So b squared is how much? 36, isn't it? This is 1, this is 18 times 2 is 36. Now b is what? Plus minus, but we take only positive, okay? B equals to 6. You can solve this way too. But I like this one, okay? It's just simple. This is number 22. So this guy is about 10-pound bag, $80. 25-pound is $150. 50-pound bag, we don't know. The average cost per pound is $6. So 10-pound, that is $80. And 25-pound, $150. And the 50-pound, we don't know, which is X dollars. You can use this. Okay, average is $6 per pound. Total amount is how much? 80 plus 150 is 230, and plus X. Total number of pound is 75, 85. That is equals to 6 average per pound. Okay, $6 per pound. That's the average. Times 85 both sides, 230 plus X equals to 510. So X equals to 510 minus 230, right? 510 minus 230 equals 280 is the answer, okay? That's the price for 50-pound bag, okay? Okay, we have a bar graph, 5 for the right, 5 student. Okay, of the following, who has the greatest percent of increase in scores from test 1 to test 2? From test 1 to test 2, how much increase? This one is 50, the next one increased 70, increased 20 from a 50, right? 20 over 50. That's a percent, times 100 is gonna be 40% increased. Benjamin is why 82, 60, that is a decrease. We don't need this one. Katrina, 70 to 100, 30 increase from 70, right? 70 over 30 over 70 times 100. Okay, it's around what, 42 or something like that. So Edward David is decreasing. Okay, this one is decreasing 80 to 70. So we don't need this one. This is a 50 to 19, 40 from 50. That is 80% increased. Okay, that is the greatest increase percent. Okay, 23 is a digit answer. So 24, which of the following scatter plot represent the data on the bar graph? We're going to express this test score in the scatter plot. First one is the test one over here, test two, a little different format. First one is what this guy's Abraham is what? Test 1 is 50, test 2 is 70. Test 1 is 50, test 2 is 70. It should be here, Abraham, but this is not working. 50, 70, no, this is not. 50, 70, we got over here, Abraham. 50, 70, another Abraham over here. So we're going to check out the next one over here, okay? Benjamin is what? 82, 60, isn't it? Test 1 is 80. Test 2 is 60. So here, we have only two choices, C and D, right? 80, 60. Where is it? 80, 60. We have one over here. This is 80, 60. No 80, 60, right? This is 80, 70. So this is what? The answer. Okay, you can check out all the other one, okay? For example, Edward. Yeah, test 1 is 50. Okay, test 2 is 90. 50, 90. This is 50, 90. We got this one. That's right, okay? This is 50, 90. No. All right, so choice C is the answer, okay? Number 25. We have data on the table. So which of the following is sure about data on these seasons? Okay. So they're asking about standard deviation. Okay, standard deviation is just spread out. Okay, so which one is spread all over, right? Widely or very narrow. Okay, we're gonna find the narrow is what? Standard deviation small, wider, the big standard deviation. Okay, you can use your calculator. Okay, you use statistics and find out the standard deviation, right? There are two different ones. This is a population standard deviation, sigma x. The other one is a sample. You can choose what this one or this one, it doesn't matter. Okay, usually sample is a little greater than sample standard deviation, a little greater than population standard deviation, right? Because what this sample is a little have margin over error, okay? Marginal error there. But at this times, or you can use, okay, a little, make the line over here. 26 over here. Okay, I'm going to this one. Okay, this one is 20, 20, 25, 30, and 35, something like that. Okay, 26, where is it here? 30 is over here. 25 is here. And 22 here. Take out their distance. Very small, right? Very narrow. A second one is, this is the amber, that is the burner, is what, 24 over here, 35 here, 20 here, 18 here. This is a lot of wider, right? This is that is stick together, okay? All right, this is what? Large standard deviation, this is small standard deviation, okay? You can compare this one, okay? We don't need the actual value, okay? So burner series is larger than amber series, okay, in standard deviation. Number 26. The value of sine r, that is 0.8. 0.8 means what? This is 8, this is 10, right? That's the ratio. You can use these numbers. 0.8 is what? 8 over 10, right? Opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, now the length of PR is 12. This length is 12. But this is the ratio, right? I'm going to use this is 8K, this is 10K, This side is how much? 6K, isn't it? 6, 8, 10, right? 3, 4, 5. That is the right triangle triplet. But this K equals 12, K equals 2. So this one will be K equals 2 is 20. This side is 16. Okay? 16 is the radius, okay, of that circle. Choice C is the answer. Number 27, you have an exponent, actually system of exponent function, okay? What is the value of x? From here, this is 2 to the fourth power. This is 3 to the fourth power. So exponent must be equal. X plus 2y equals 4. The other one is 2x plus y equals to also 4, right? But we're going to find the value of x. We're going to eliminate the y, okay? How can you eliminate? Times 2 over here. Or minus 2 is okay. I'm going to use the minus 2 each time. So negative 4x minus 2y equals negative 8. Using these two, addition, right? When you this one, negative 3x equals negative 4. So when you divide by negative 3 both sides, you will get x equals 4 over 3, okay? Choice C is the answer. Here is number 28. So in the equation above, x and y are positive integers. Which of the following cannot be the value of x plus y? Okay, this is a little complicated. Okay, we're gonna simplify. Okay, the first one is where x squared plus 2xy and plus y squared minus x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. That is equals to 72. You can see the x squared out, y squared out. So 2xy minus 4xy, that is equals 72. From here, you can see that x times y will be 18. This is our simplest form. But it should be positive. How many possible positive? 1 times 18, 2 times 9, 3 times 6. That's it, right? Okay. Some of these numbers, it can be some of these numbers 19 or 11 or 9. 19, 11, 19 here, okay, 11 and 9, okay? So this one, we never make 24, right? Which is integer. So choice D is the answer. Number 29, P is the average of AB, Q is average, R is average. Okay, if P, Q, R, okay? This average is the greatest one, this is the middle one, this is the smallest one. Which of the following is true? Okay, we're gonna compare AB, little AB, BC, little CA, right? So we're gonna express P is actually equals to how much? A plus B over 2, isn't it? What about Q? Q is what? B plus C over 2. And what is R? C plus A over 2. But P is greater than Q, Q is greater than R. Now let's solve this one. First, this two. 2 is cancelled out. We got only A plus B is greater than B plus C. So B is cancelled out. Actually, A is greater than C. Now take out the second and third. Also 2 is out. Okay, C is out. So B is greater than A, right? From second to this one. From here, you got this one. From this two, is C is greater than A, right? That's correct? No, B is greater than A because C is cancelled out. B is greater than A. Oh, this one is, I'm sorry, I did it wrong, right? It can't be C. So B is out. A is greater than C, okay? This is A. That's right. So B is greater than A. B is greater than A. A is greater than C. Yeah, this is the order, right? So B is greater than A is greater than C. Choice D is the answer, okay? Peter set up the lemonade stand. He paid us a setup cost to $120, and the cost for 1 cup lemonade will be 30 cents to make it. He sells this cup of lemonade 75 cents, but he want to sell, right, X cups. Okay, so revenue, total income is how much? 0.75 times n. But we're gonna find the profit. We have to find total cost of it, okay, 120. Another one is what? 0.3 times number of cups, all right? That's the cost, total cost. When you subtract, this is the profit. It's okay? Simplify. 0.75 minus 0.3 n is 0.45 n. We still have a negative 120. Okay? So that's the answer. Choice C is the answer. Okay? Right, this is number 31. The equation of circles, the nearest tens, what is the area of circles? To find the area of a circle, we need to find the radius in standard form of it, right? These two and these two. First one should be what? X minus 2 square. Second one is y plus 2 square, right? But when you make the perfect squares, we're going to add over here plus 4 and plus 4. We know that, right? So you're going to add what? 8. Same number of, okay, amount total is 8. You have to add 8 over here, okay? Yeah, that is the standard form of a circle, okay? From here, r squared is 8. So what is the area of a circle? Pi r squared 8. 8 pi, right? So 8 pi is how much? 25, 1, 2, okay? Usually this is 3.1, but you can use your calculator, okay? So nearest the 10th digit over here. 25.1 is the answer, okay? Okay, here you go. Cost C is given by the equation according to the mother for every increase of 1 unit. Okay, average increase of 1 unit. By how many dollars will increase? Increase by 1 unit, how much increase over here? Okay, that is a slope, isn't it? So C equals looks like this one, 198.4 over 16x and plus 197 over 16. This is the y-intercept. Increase what from this amount. If 1 unit, they increase this slope, right? Yeah, that's the answer. So 198 4 over 16, I'm sorry, 16. I'm going to use my calculator, okay? 198.4 divided 16, which is what? 12.4, okay? Every 1 unit increase, 12.4 increase in the cost, okay? That's the answer. This is 33, a linear function over here. F of 10 minus f of 5 equals 10. Linear is what? Same slope. So, what is the slope over here? F of 10 minus f of 5. Slope is what? This is x2, this is x1, right? Whole thing is y2, right? F of f2, y2. So, x2 minus x1 is what? 10 minus 5. Okay, that is the slope. What about the other slope? Anyway, so f of 10 minus f of 10, this is 10, right? 10 over 5, that is the slope is 2. That's the slope. Now use the same slope, f over 20 minus f over 8. And the 20 minus 8, that's the slope, still should be equals 2, right? That is linear. So we're going to find the value of this one. This is what? 12. To find this one, 12 times 2 is what? 24, right? That's the answer. Here is number 38. The graph of y equals x squared plus 10 in the xy plane. The area of the square ABC. This is said with a square, okay? Square is each side is equals. This side, they are equals. The area is 400. Each side is 20, right? Each one is 20. But this is what? X over symmetry. This is the middle. So the other side, half and half, will be 20. So what is this coordinate? When x is 10, y is 20. That's the meaning, okay? Now put this number in the equations. So when y is 20, x equals 10. 10 squared is 100. 100 times a plus 10. So minus 10 both sides. 10 equals 100a. And a equals what? 10 over 100, okay? You can use a 1 over 10 or 0.1 is okay too. That is the value of a, okay? Here is number 35. The measuring angle ABC, angle B is 30. What is sum of these two? 150, right? Total interior angle is 180. So that's 3x. 3x plus 3y should be equal to 150. When you divide it by 3, x plus y equals 50. But we need to find what? 2x plus 2y, okay? Sum of these two angles is how much? 2x plus 2y times 2 times 2, 100. Sum of these two angles is 100. What about the other third? What the third angles? 180 minus 100 will be 80. Okay, that's the answer. Number 36. We have a four congruent rectangle. Each dimension has a and b, but perimeter is given 24. So 2a plus 2b is 24. A plus b is 12, right? Only half and half. So we can say that a plus b equals 12. And the area of a small square is 36. This is the area. If dimensions of each rectangle are a and b, we're going to find the value b there. But this is also square, right? Must be equals. So what is the length of this side? This is 6, right? Another 6. 6 times this side is what? B. Another is, I'm sorry, this is a, right? This is a, another a. Okay, 6 plus 2a, you know that. 6 plus 2a equals to how much? Over here. The other side is how much? This is what? 6. What about this one? This side. This side equals how much? 6 plus 2a. The other side is, this is a, right? A plus b. They must be equal, right? 6 plus 2a equals a plus b. Okay? So from here, what is the value of b there? You can use a substitution, right? Or you can a little simplify it. Okay? H cancel the minus a, 6 plus a equals to b, isn't it? Okay, what is the value of a? A equals what? 12 minus b. You can put this number into here. Let me find, to find the b, replace with a over here, right? A is 12 minus b. So 6 plus 12 minus b equals to b. That is 18 equals what? 2b, right? So b equals to 9. It's okay? So 9 is the answer, okay? So a is what? 3, okay? Sum of these two numbers is 12. All right, number 37. We have two congruent circles are tangent to each other and are internally tangent. They're all tangent to each other. So line segment AB is the diameter of large circles. Okay, so the area of each smaller one is 10. This is the area is 10. Yeah, equals. What is the area of the shaded region? Okay, what is the area of a shaded region? You know that the rest of the lengths, small one, large one, small one, large one. The rest of the length is what is the 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, isn't it? This is 1, this is 1 diameter, all large diameter is 2. What is the rest of the area? 1 square is 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, right? So this area is actually 4 times each of this small area, okay? If this is 10, this is 10, total area is how much? 4 times. 10 times 4 is about 40. But shaded region, you take up these two, 20 from 40, right? 40 minus 20, that is 20, right? Here is number 38. So f of x is always greater than g of x for all real number of x. So that means what? This is f of x. G of x should be below this number, right? That's why f of x is already greater than this one. That's right. So what is the greatest value of it? K is going down over here. It's okay. Maximum is how many? That's equal over here, okay? If K is maximum is over here, this is y equals K, right? That is the maximum value of K. Actually, what is these numbers? Vertex, when the line y equals K, which is horizontal, will pass what this vertex is going to have right maximum number, okay? You can use the right vertex form. This is vertex form is how much? Y minus half over this one, 3 squared. That is 9 plus 3, that is 12. Actually, this one looks like this. When x equals 3, y equals 3. The graph looks like this. This is the y equals x squared minus 6x plus 12. G of x equals k looks like here. G of x k. K. But that is not maximum valuable, right? K is over here. That is the maximum valuable k, right? So k should be equals 12. It's okay? So if y equals, no. I'm sorry, vertex is what? 3 and 3, okay? This point, when x equals 3, y equals 3, okay? So the maximum number of k will be 3, okay? Y equals 3. That is the maximum number. 3 is the answer, okay? Okay, we just finished by section 4 of test 8. Okay, next time we're going into test 9, okay? All right, thank you so much for joining the class, okay? I'll see you in next video. Thank you.